Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Hub. In this session, let us see some problems based on points of trisection and also section formula. See first problem, find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining the point. What they are? P minus 3 comma 0 and I am taking P and Q, okay? Q as 6 comma 6. We have to find the coordinates of points of trisections. Okay. First, what are points of trisections? Points of trisections are nothing but the points which divides the given line in the ratio 1:1, 2:1, right? So, suppose this is P and Q, or if you take AB, no problem. And A comma B are points of trisections, then A divides PQ in the ratio 1:2 and B divides PQ in the ratio 2:1, right? A divides in the ratio 1:2, B divides in the ratio 2:1. Therefore, we have to write let A comma B be points of trisections. Then A equal to, here you have to write coordinates, right? 6 comma 6 minus 3 comma 0. Then A divides in the ratio 1:2, right? That implies mx2 6 plus nx1 minus 6 by m plus n comma 1 into 6 6 plus 2 into 0 0 by m plus n, nothing but A equal to 0 comma 6 by 3 is 2 and B equal to 2:1, right? 2 into 6 it is 12 plus 1 into minus 3 by 3 comma 2 into 6 12 plus 1 into 0 it is 0 by 3, nothing but B equal to 12 minus 3 9, 9 by 3 it is 3 comma 12 by 3 it is 4. Okay, therefore these are the points of trisections of these two given points. Points of trisection means you have to find just which divides in the ratio 1:2 and also 2:1. Nothing but these 2 points divides the given line into 3 equal parts. Okay. Next, see here, show that A 3 comma minus 2 is a point of trisection of the line segment and joining the points 2 comma 1 and 5 comma minus 8. That means here they are asking you have to show whether this point is a point of trisection of line joining these 2 points or not. And one more thing they are asking, also find the coordinates of other point of trisection. First you have to find which point of trisection it is. Nothing but whether it divides in the ratio 1:2 or 2:1. If it divides in the ratio 1:2 or 2:1, then only you can tell this point is a point of trisection. That means we have to find the ratio in which this point A divides 2 comma 1 and 5 comma minus 8. That means let 3 comma minus 2, let it divides in the ratio k is to 1. That means k into 5, 5k plus 2 by k plus 1 comma minus 8k plus 1 by k plus 1, right? If we divide in the ratio k is to 1, then the points are like this. That implies 3 equal to 5k plus 2 by k plus 1. That implies multiply 3k plus 3 equal to 5k plus 2. 3 minus 2 equal to 5k minus 3k. 1 equal to 2k. K equal to 1 by 2. So, it's A divides 2 comma 1 and 5 comma minus 8 in the ratio 1:2. So this is a point of trisection. And what are the coordinates of another points of trisection? Let other point of trisection be divides in the ratio 2 is to 1, right? So if you take 2 is to 1 for the next point, you will get b equal to 2 into 5, 10 plus 1 into 2, 2 by 3, comma 2 into minus 8, minus 16 plus 1 by 3, you will get 12 by 3 it is 4, minus 15 by 3 it is minus 5. This is the another point of trisection. Now see this problem. If a equal to minus 4 comma 3, what it is? A equal to minus 4 comma 3 and b equal to 8 comma minus 6. First one, find the length of AB. What it is? Length of AB. You have to find the length. Means which formula you have to use? Distance formula. You have to, length is nothing but distance. So distance between AB is nothing but root over, what it is? Equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here we will get x2, 8 minus of minus 4, 8 plus 4, 12 square plus y2 minus 6 minus 3, minus 9 whole square, right? Minus 9 whole square, nothing but 144 plus 81, you will get root over 225, it is 15. As the length won't be negative, we have to write, you have to take only positive square root. Okay, so AB is 15 units. And second one, in what ratio is the line segment joining AB divided by the x-axis? And in the same problem, what we have to find? In what ratio the line segment AB is divided by the x-axis? X-axis means y coordinate is 0, right? So let the point be x comma 0 and the ratio be k is to 1 and what it is? Minus 4 comma 3 and 8 comma minus 6. So we will get x comma 0 equal to k into 8. 8k, 1 into minus 4 by k plus 1 comma k into minus 6, minus 6k plus 3 by k plus 1. Here, as which coordinate you know? Y coordinate you know, but x coordinate we don't know. So equating these two, what will you get? We will get 0 equal to minus 6k plus 3 by k plus 1. Cross multiply minus 6k plus 3 equal to 0. Minus 6k equal to minus 3. And k equal to 3 by 6. It is nothing but 1 is to 2. So k equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, x-axis divides AB in the ratio 1 is to 2. Or else, if they ask to find the coordinate of this point also, what you have to do? Here you have to substitute k value, you will get x. That is nothing but you will get point P. Next, see this problem. See this problem. The line segment joining A 4 comma 7 and B minus 6 comma 2 and B minus 6 comma minus 2 is intercepted by the y-axis at the point K. Nothing but AB line segment intercepts the y-axis at point K. Right? And what they are asking? Write down the abscissa. What it is? Abscissa of the point K. Abscissa of point K and hence find the ratio in which K divides AB. See here. First, what they gave the problem? K is a point on y-axis, right? So on y-axis, x coordinate is 0. So point B 0 comma y. And in order to answer the question, what we need? We need to know what is abscissa. Okay. When you have a point x comma y, here x coordinate is called abscissa and y coordinate is called ordinate. What is the x coordinate of a point is the abscissa. So abscissa of k equal to what? Abscissa of k equal to 0. Why? It is a point on y-axis. Okay, next. Let it divide. We have to find the ratio, right? So as already they gave k, I am taking m is to n only. Let the ratio be n is to n. This point is 4 comma 7 minus 6 comma minus 2. See, here I did one method. This is the second method. You can do in any way. Okay? And k will be k 0 comma y will be according to section formula mx2 minus 6m plus 4n by m plus n comma minus 2m plus 7n by m plus n. So as we know abscissa we can equate minus 6m plus 4n by m plus n equal to 0. You will get minus 6m plus 4n equal to 0. From this you can write minus 6m equal to minus 4n. You want m by n, right? So m by n equal to 4 by 6. 2 2s are 2 3s are. Therefore m is to n equal to 2 is to 3. Therefore k divides the line segment joining AB, the ratio 2 is to 3.